Treatment of Parkinson's has changed very little over the past 50 years. People think the reason for this is because of the science, the slow progress of the science. But actually the science is only the tip of the iceberg. One of the other principal reasons that we've had so little advance in the treatment of our condition is because it's very difficult to measure. Analysis of our Parkinson's tends to be snapshot, tends to be subjective, and it tends to be inaccurate. If there's one thing that is unpredictable about us, it's our symptoms. Symptoms can change from minute to minute, hour to hour, day to day, and month to month. We all have different symptoms, and we all respond to medication in different ways. And this makes measuring Parkinson's very complicated, very difficult to do. Also, we all have our own different lifestyles, our own different priorities. And this means that Parkinson's can't be personalised in terms of its measurement. And that's what we need to do if we're going to take forward new treatments and accelerate progress with this condition. But what can we do to help this, to assist this? I think there is something that we can do. We have a project called SensePark, which is funded by the European Union, which embraces technology and also our insights and experiences of Parkinson's to give a better flavour, to give more accurate, more personalised, more continuous, more objective measurement of Parkinson's. Because if we go into the clinic now, all the clinicians are getting from us is a snapshot of our Parkinson's. They're not seeing the whole picture. They're not seeing the scope of our Parkinson's over a specific period. And without seeing this scope, they're not building an accurate picture of our Parkinson's. So I think that a project like SensePark can help us in three ways. Firstly, by engaging in SensePark, by engaging in the measurement of our own Parkinson's over time, we can establish patterns of our own illness so that we can make the changes to allow us to live our lives in the way that we know works. Secondly, it allows our clinicians to provide more tailored, more personalised treatment plans so that our drug regime can be maximised, optimised for our benefit. And finally, and perhaps most importantly from our perspective, is that if we have more accurate data and results from clinical trials, it means that at last new treatments, we can see if new treatments work. Because without accurate measurement, how can we expect the scientists, the pharmaceutical companies to engage with Parkinson's, let alone decide whether a treatment is better than a previous one? So SensePark is an extremely important project, and it not only helps us to help scientists to assist in the development of better measures for Parkinson's, but it also helps the scientists help the pharmaceutical companies put more resource and invest more in the condition. So SensePark is a hugely important project. Without SensePark, we're not going to be able to measure Parkinson's, and without measuring Parkinson's, we're not going to be able to enjoy new treatments in the foreseeable future. So help us to make SensePark reach its potential.